This machine uses imported infrared induction switch, which has high sensitivity, accurate paper separation and no double sheets. Full belt gearless transmission system, low noise. Paper feeding and paper rubbing are driven independently, with reasonable structure. Intelligent LCD display control system with paper jam sensing device. Adopt special folding roller, high wear resistance, anti-static. Equipped with a counter to count the number of folded paper, and automatically stop when the set value is reached. Diversified folding methods, fold in half, cross fold, barren fold, double fold, report fold, 3 fold inside, 3 fold outside, guanine fold and so many other folding methods. High folding precision, fast folding speed and high efficiency.